What is going on, everyone? My name is Josh, and today we got a brand new unboxing video, and we are going to be unboxing the Yeezy Ophanis, or however you want to pronounce it. And if you've been on my channel for a while, you know I am a Yeezy Quantum collector, just because I love the 750s and I was never able to get my hands on them. So every Quantum that has dropped, I have picked up. That's just how it goes. But we're gonna get right into it. And as always, I'm not gonna go over the box. It's like any other Yeezy box. You got the sizes, and then you got the boost on the side, the Quantum. As always, you guys should know this. I do love their slide out boxes though. They are very, very, very clean. So typical packaging as always for Yeezy. And then we're gonna get right into the shoe. No waiting. I think these are so raw in that if you bust out the right color hoodie and the right color pants with these, you could have a crazy fit. Everybody sleeps on the Quantums, I feel like. They were hyped up at first, and then the hype died down. I feel like the hype will go back up. And if you guys want to know a fun fact, I have never worn any pair of Quantums on my feet yet. And I own 3 pairs. So I want to wear them for like an occasion or something. That's when I want to bust them out. But let's get a close up and check them out. I'll be honest, guys, these shoes to me are actually so raw. Like, look at the detail that goes into this. And obviously they are reflective, dead stock. I just think these are some of the cleanest Yeezys that made to date. They're just so subtle but loud at the same time, if that makes sense. And you got like the different pattern, you got the different material, and it's just insane to me. I love these shoes. I think Yeezy kills it every time when they release a pair of Quantums, and I think every time people are going to continue to sleep on them, but over time they're going to release a fire pair, like an even more fire pair, like one of their top pairs or a crazy colorway or something, and then everyone's going to like it. All that takes is like 1 or 2 colorways, and then people are like, you know what, these shoes actually are not that bad. But I don't know when I'm gonna wear these, but when I do, I gotta make sure I have a wild fit ready to go. I will though, do not worry, I will have a crazy fit when I do, or I'm gonna try to at least. But let me know what you guys think down below. The Quantums have a lot of mixed reviews, and I'm definitely curious to hear your guys' opinions on it. I thought this colorway was fire. It's a little different, adding the accents of the blue. Now, if they dropped like a full blue Quantum, that would go crazy. I think they got some plans for some wild colorways, so I'm definitely excited to see it. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think down below. This has been Josh. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and I'm out. Peace.